Hello YouTube, it's Jim Chapman, American Airgun Hunter. I'm on my way up to Wisconsin right now, in northern Wisconsin, to do a squirrel hunt. I'm going to try to shoot a couple of black squirrels today on my, let's say a combined objective. I want to get my Grand Slam of squirrels again this season, and I also am trying to hunt squirrels in as many states as I can. We got going at about 4 o'clock this morning. It's about almost 7 o'clock, and I'm just about ready to meet up with a friend, Jonathan, up here to go to a couple properties he has located for squirrels. So anyway, we'll be back with him in a little bit. This should be a fun hunt. I'm looking forward to it.
The first one down.
The black one. These color faces are kind of harder to find.
Got a couple more for the bag, and it's tough up here. All the leaves of the trees.
Oh shit! Nothing came out.
Yep. He's laying down on the big branch.
There?
Right there. Nice shot.
I came up here to do a squirrel hunt. I'm with Jonathan Heikkila, who I met last year. It was about a year ago, almost a little later than this, huh?
Yep.
And I was saying I wanted to shoot some black squirrels, and Jonathan was telling me that there's a good population of them out here. And last year I came out, and I only saw a couple squirrels. The weather was really bad. It was raining pretty hard the whole time, and I only actually got out for a half day, really, out of the 2 days I was here. And we only had one fast outing. But today we got out about 8:30 in the morning. We got out here and started working through this lot of land he's got nailed down, and a lot of squirrels here, huh?
There is, yeah. We saw a lot of activity. I mean, just a matter of the leaves, haven't fallen down yet. So you're seeing them moving, but you don't have a lot of shot opportunities.
I mean, that's our bag. We're still hunting. That's our bag so far. And Jonathan got the black squirrel. I still need to get one for my Grand Slam this year. But that doesn't tell the story of how many we've seen.
Yeah.
It's tough. I mean, we've missed some shots. I've missed a few more than Jonathan, but we've missed some shots, and we've had a lot of lost opportunities, and I also fumbled with the camera. I introduced Jonathan to fumbling with the camera when he gets ready to shoot.
Yep. No, it's a whole different challenge, but it's enjoyable.
Yeah, so we're gonna gather up, and we're gonna head to another spot about, what, a half hour from here?
About a half hour.
This is pretty thick in here. You said the place we're going to is more open?
Yep, it's more old growth trees. You know, there'll be possibly less squirrels, but
right.
hopefully the shot trees will be more